In this video, you will see how to color Word in MS Word document. It's very easy. Let's get started. First, type the text inside the Word document. Then select the text using your mouse. After selecting, you can either click on the drop down here and you will see many colors. Select any color of your choice, for example red color, and you can also change the color afterwards as well. And if you want to remove the color from the text, then just select the white color. There are many more options as well. You can go to the more color and select the color of your choice, or you can also customize your own colors from the available options here and then click on OK. If you want to fill multiple colors, for example let's say you want to add a gradient, then you can select the gradient and that will be applied to the text. You can also go to more gradients option and select multiple colors by clicking on the gradient top and then selecting the different color. You can adjust the slider to adjust the gradient shade inside the text, and then after closing this, you will see that the text is colored with the multiple colors. Click on that like button to tell YouTube this video is useful. Comment below and let me know if this video really helped you. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.